Can my cheap telescope really compete with the Hubble Space Telescope to see the farthest reaches of space? Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host, and today we're going to have some fun comparing my trusty personal telescope with the iconic Hubble Space Telescope. Which one can see more? That's what we're about to find out. So let's talk about the challenge here. When we say seeing more, what do we really mean? Is it just about looking at more stars, or is there more to it? For amateur astronomers like myself, our telescopes have limitations. We can't just point and shoot like professional telescopes do. The Hubble Space Telescope, for example, has been in orbit for over 30 years, capturing stunning images of the universe in incredible detail. One major difference between our telescopes and professional ones like Hubble is aperture size. My telescope has a modest aperture, which limits how much light it can gather. Hubble, on the other hand, has a huge aperture that lets it collect light from incredibly distant objects. Then there's the location. My telescope sits on the ground, dealing with atmospheric interference, while Hubble orbits above it all in space. Light gathering power, resolution, and cost are other key factors that set them apart. Let's break it down further. Aperture size directly affects how much light a telescope can gather. The bigger the aperture, the more light it can collect, and the clearer the image will be. Location is also crucial because the Earth's atmosphere can distort and block light, making it harder to get a clear view of distant objects. Professional telescopes like Hubble avoid this problem by being in space. Resolution, or how detailed an image is also much better with a larger aperture and clearer viewing conditions. And then there's cost. While my telescope was a few $100s, Hubble cost billions to build and launch. Let's take a look at some side-by-side comparisons. The Orion Nebula, for example, is a favorite among astronomers. Through my telescope, it looks like a fuzzy blob with some hints of color. But when Hubble takes a look, it's like a completely different picture. You can see individual stars, detailed structures, and vibrant colors. The Andromeda Galaxy is another great example. My telescope shows it as a faint, fuzzy patch, while Hubble reveals a stunning spiral galaxy with thousands of individual stars and other features. In the end, it's clear that Hubble sees way more than my telescope ever could, in terms of detail, distance, and overall capability. But here's the thing, my telescope offers something Hubble doesn't, a personal connection to the cosmos. Being able to observe the night sky from my backyard, seeing the same stars and galaxies that have fascinated humans for centuries, that's something special. So while Hubble is in a league of its own, I think there's still value in having a telescope like mine. If you've got your own telescope, I'd love to hear about your experiences in the comments below. What have you seen that's amazed you? Do you have a favorite object to observe? Let me know. And if you're interested in more astronomy content, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.